Hey guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video let's take a look at Nvidia stock for the morning update and let's identify the levels to watch for the next possible moves on Nvidia. And why I say the next possible moves is because right now the green candle that is coming is not a given move right now. We can't take it a rebound in the downtrend because we have this one pivot standing. However, the strong pivot that we lost yesterday was at 876. As we go through this video, you will get to know like why this pivot was loss of $877 range, that pivot, why that was so critical, and why this is here directionless even though we have a green body, right? So this is part of being choppiness because after a big fall, we would see a rebound of some sort. Now, this rebound in this video will take a look at important levels. As Nvidia, if it can cross through those levels either to the upside or to the downside, that will be the continuation of the move for at least tomorrow. Now, why I say at least tomorrow and not like for rest of the week or next couple of days? And even for today, intradays, these levels are important to watch for potential price reactions and the the next moves, right? So the reason is that between 20 and 50 days moving average, guys, stocks are usually directionless. There's a lot of choppiness. You can only trade it range bound or intradays. That's the reason, right? So let's talk about what Nvidia is doing today. Once I let you know that none of this is any financial advice, only my opinion, nothing more than that. You are solely responsible for your own decisions and outcomes. I'm not here to tell you what you have to do. You can go and do whatever you want to do. All right, I care none of that. Okay, that's your business. So we also have, before going into technicals, I want to talk about Nvidia initiated at outperformed by Evercore, $1,160 per share. Yeah, well, that's what it is. We had Morgan Stanley come out here, right? They pushed it up. Then Raymond James came up. Then 2 days, no analyst came. They're going down. Now it's going down. So they all work in collusion together, right? All these walls. So they're like, okay, let's see if we can push it again. Another outperform rating comes because in all these upsides, then they will try to just sell it off, right? But anyways, we're gonna work out with the technicals here. So we are still below 20 days moving average. We are above 50 days moving average though. So we are seeing this green candle today as for the morning. Let's take a look at hourly interval. What shall we make out of it? So yesterday I talked about, guys, this rebound is possible, but $877 is the level to watch. My significant level is already there. It's 870, almost 877, 876 to 877. And right now we got up back there. We are finding a rejection at the moment, and this is also below 200 hours moving average. So, and we are above 20 hours moving average. So you can see like this is where it gets really complicated when it's in the distribution phase, that you can only trade it intraday. Okay, you can't make much out of it as for the proper directions. So the thing is that if Nvidia can close above this $876.38, this area, we have potential of this thing again tomorrow go up. This is how choppy it is, how quickly it's changing the structure day by day because it's in the choppy zone. You can see it found support just above our box of 850, and this support is also due to this previous demand zone that is coming up, right? So yes, if Nvidia can recapture 877 today and can close above it, there is some upside, we can talk about it. Otherwise, if today we lose 850 to $860 range, sorry, 858 to $860 range, if it closes below that, it's going to get weaker and weaker and will continue to the downside. Guys, this in rebound, you can trade scalp or whatever, but if I take it to the 5 minutes interval, these are the scalp plays pretty much. So you can see, let's let my indicator load real quick. And you can see we had a bit of a rebound to the upside, got to our significant level, rejected here, came lower to the day trading levels plus, trying to find a bounce here, right? But we are selling off, right? So you can see we are already forming a bit of lower high. Today, it will be more maybe choppiness. The day you are watching this level of, guys, pretty much 859 range to 862. If Nvidia loses this area, then this is a continuation to the downside. Will continue if it intraday it has a room to continue to fall, or it will continue that sell-off tomorrow. But this was the rebound that I was expecting, and I talked about in the downtrend we can have this rebound. That's still fine. It's just that we will watch the price reaction at 876. So those are the areas to take potential trades. Either you take intraday or swing, that's up to you, but with the stop loss on the other side. And this is already intraday. Well, scalp play is already done though, right? On the 5 minutes you can see we rejected at that level, 877 as I talked about yesterday, and we are selling off. Now how much sell-off we will have, we'll see level by level and accordingly size and size out position. This is also an important level, 868 day trading levels plus, because this is where it was rejecting and then did a breakout. But again, at next level it's sold off because it's in the distribution phase. Expect choppiness. These things will give you a lot of pain. Okay, trading is not that easy, just so you know. That's why we have to manage our portfolio size and size out the position, and if it's a loss, cut the loss small. That's what it is, guys. That's the name of the game. So yeah, it all comes down to how it does today, and if it goes above 877, that will set some few elements for tomorrow or even rest of the day. But if it can't recapture it, the downside you're watching is 860, and then around that level you're watching if it's going to break that level or going to find support there. So that's Nvidia, guys, for you. Okay, that's Nvidia. Yeah, it's still trying to hold that distribution phase level here, right? The bottom here, look at it, precisely to the penny, came right over there. Let's see how things goes throughout the day. Some sell-off is coming. I did a video on Tesla as well this morning. Check that out for the morning update. And let's see how QQ and SPY are doing right now. So QQ is selling off. This is hourly interval. It has more room to continue, guys. As I said in my Tesla videos as well, QQ is not going to show any change of the structure to the upside unless and until it's not able to recapture 435 and above. And with SPY, yeah, SPY is already in the bloodbath. Yeah, SPY can't recapture any. It's not bullish even. Yeah, 512 is the structure change to the upside, but I don't think it's going to do it. Any rebound to the level of 508 and 509, it's okay, but that's still going to keep it bearish, right? So that's the SPY. And guys, if you need access to my tools that I use in my videos, my indicators and all of that, links to my tools are in the description below. These levels are helpful. Trade with the levels. Yeah, guys, so SPY, I still think we will continue lower and lower. We are already getting that move. And QQQ as well, in my opinion, guys, we will continue lower and lower. All right. So yeah, wow, Nvidia is continuing to sell off. Let's just, before wrapping up the video, guys, let's just quickly take a last peek at the price here. So yeah, yeah, it's trying its best to hold this area, right? Look at it, this another wick is coming. So yeah, it will be, look at it getting bought back up. That's why it's very important to see how the candles are reacting at these levels. But again, these are mostly just intraday plays, guys. Just trade at these levels, scalp it out, or I won't recommend holding Nvidia for a couple of days. It's in the distribution phase, and it's gonna chop around quite a lot before it gets that next position. Oh, sorry, the next direction, complete next direction. And for that, the complete next direction, I would say, would come if we can lose this level of distribution phase, if we go below 50 days moving average as well. That's going to give it some strong move to the downside. Otherwise, yeah, between 20 and 50 days moving average, just expect to it be choppy. All right, guys, that's all for this video. I'll be talking about Nvidia later as well when the market has closed, and I'll be doing analysis there as well, showing you a lot of other data as well, the data of options as well. I'll be doing AMD soon, guys, so I'll show you there's some price upgrades happen on that. I'll show you one video of SMC. I have my short plays on these, so today they are going against me, so I'll talk about those as well. All right, with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.